Now let's move on to Jammu and Kashmir because a fashion show in Gulmarg has courted controversy. Several political leaders have expressed, their criticism, calling it obscene and inappropriate, especially given the fact that the timing is during the holy month of Ramzan. Several leaders from different political parties have condemned the fashion show, arguing that such events do not align with the cultural and also religious sentiments of the region, especially during a sacred period. Many have taken to social media expressing outrage and also questioning the authorities for allowing such an event to take place in the first place. Now, on the other hand, supporters of the event have argued that the fashion and tourism are integral to Kashmir's evolving identity and economic growth. Zeenat is joining us live. Zeenat, what is this controversy about? And Omar Abdullah has also criticized this particular event, calling it obscene and inappropriate, especially during the month of Ramzan. Tell us more.
See, this controversy has erupted here in the Gulmarg when the fashion show was held here in Gulmarg on the slopes of Upperwood Hill yesterday, and the Delhi organizers are the one is Shivan and Nirwan, who's are Delhi-based organizers who have organized this show in the holy month of Ramadan. What is creating a controversy and outrage in the Jammu and Kashmir is the kind of the clothes these models were wearing, and it has also been termed as a vulgar and unnecessary, and it has hurt their religious sentiments and also has created an outrage in Jammu and Kashmir. As Mirwais Umar Farooq has raised, who is the religious head of Jammu and Kashmir, has already raised this issue, and immediately the Omar Abdullah, the office of the chief minister, has reacted, saying that it has ordered the probe and the report will be submitted in the next 24 hours. And then we saw the beeline of the political leaders like Sajjad Ghani Lone terming it as an unnecessary, and it is also polluting the land of saints and sons. Kashmir is known for saints and sons, and having these kind of shows in the Kashmir and hurting the religious sentiments when the holy month of Ramadan is going on. Today also in an assembly of Jammu and Kashmir, in Jammu particularly, the outrage, the ruckus were created by the opposition leaders demanding that there should be a discussion over it, and most of the ruckus was created by MLA Kupwara Fayaz Mir demanding the discussion on how this fashion show was allowed and who had given the permission and what all was violated while giving the permissions. And the speaker has already said, since the inquiry is pending, so there cannot be discussions on the floor of the house. But we see that the people across Jammu and Kashmir are condemning this kind of fashion show when you see the obscenity, the vulgarity is on display. Although these organizers who come from Delhi have already apologized on the Twitter handle now known as X, that they apology for carrying this kind of fashion show, and they respect the traditions, the culture, and also the spirituality on the holy land.
Right, Zeenat, many thanks for joining me with those details. For now, the controversy continues to brew. It has to be seen if the administration takes any action against the organizers.